Most of the people alive today are alive because of one discovery. And yet the same scientist who made that discovery personally oversaw the first large-scale use of chlorine gas in war. This is Fritz Haber, and this is the story of how a discovery that saved billions helped industrialize mass killing. And it came at a personal cost most people never hear about. At the start of the 20th century, humanity had a serious problem. We were running out of food. Plants need nitrogen, and the atmosphere is full of it, but locked away in a form that plants can't utilize. Haber figured out how to break that lock. By pulling nitrogen from the air and turning it into ammonia, he made synthetic fertilizer possible. Suddenly, crop yields exploded. That's the upside. Then the war came, and Haber made a decision. Instead of asking whether his science could be used, he asked a different question. How could it be used most effectively? In 1915, trench warfare had frozen Europe in place. Thousands were dying for mere meters of mud. But Haber argued that chemistry could solve this, and he pushed for the use of poison gas. But he didn't just design it from a distance. He personally travelled to the front line to supervise its first attack. Chlorine gas rolled across the battlefield. Men choked, lungs burned, and panic did the rest. Chemical warfare had arrived. The question was no longer, should this exist? It was, how do we survive it? Gas masks appeared, training followed, and rules were written. If masks exist, you need something stronger, because if everyone has it, you can't afford not to. But Haber's wife, Clara, was also a chemist, and she hated what he was doing. After the first gas attack, Haber came home to celebrate. And that night, Clara shot herself with his service pistol. The next morning, Haber left for the front again. He was doing what he believed a scientist should do in wartime.